Good
Are you
morning, sir.
screen?
Yes,
So in last class we completed the SAP projects, implementation project, support project, rollout project, enhancement project, and upgradation project. Last one is support project. Okay. Next one, SAP landscape, SAP landscape, SAP servers, SAP landscape, SAP servers. Okay. SAP landscape, SAP landscape, nothing but group of servers. Okay. Group of systems, nothing but landscape. Okay. Group of systems. Example, my requirement is I want to view one movie in my laptop. Okay. But I don't have laptop or I have the old laptop. It is not supporting. What is my action? My action will be I have to procure the one laptop, new laptop, right? Same here also. Okay, here also business want to post or record their like real-time data in new system SAP. This case, as per this requirement, it's required only one system, right? I want to view one movie. It's not required to purchase more than one, right? One laptop or one PC is enough. Okay, one PC is enough to view the movie. But here, SAP standard structure. Okay, SAP standard structure. If you on the SAP license, then they will give you the three systems. Okay, they will give you the three systems. One is development system, development server, development client. All are same. Development system, development server, and development client or golden server, golden client. All are same. Okay, one is a development system, second one is a quality system, third one is a production system. Okay, one is development system, second one is a quality system, third one is a production system. Okay, out of these three systems, real system is a production system. Out of these three systems, real system is a production system. Production system, okay, client will record the all their regular business process. Okay, client to day business process, they will record in this system. Okay, example, this is a laptop one, laptop two, laptop three. Three independent systems. Okay, if you want to purchase the SAP, then they will give you the three SAP systems. Example, laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3. Laptop 1 is development system, laptop 2 is quality system, laptop 3 is production system. Okay, out of these three systems, real system is a production system. This system client, the regular business operations, they will record, they will track in this system. Okay, if they want to view any reports, then which system they will use? They will use the production system only. Okay, following, right, sir? Then what is the required? What is this quality system and development system requirement? Why SAP is providing the giving the additional quality and development system? Everything is recording in production system. What is the importance about the quality and development system? Okay, the main importance here is we cannot do any customization. We cannot do any customization directly in production system. Why? Because SAP is a fully integrated system. SAP is fully integrated system. If you do any changes in the existing system, example production system, we don't know what is the impact. Okay, example, I'm adding the one patch in the salaries payment process program. Okay, we don't know whether salary based on my patch will it work or will it disturb the existing process. Because of that, okay, SAP is provided the complete development purpose. Any new development purpose, use the one new system. Use the one new system. Okay, do whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want to do here based on requirement. Based on the requirement, configure here in development system. Once configuration is completed, Once configuration is completed, then what is the importance of this? What is the importance of this? Okay, yes, I agree. We cannot do the configuration directly in production system. That's why SAP given the configuration customization purpose development system. Yes, we agree, right? What is the importance of quality system? Quality specific to testing. Okay, quality is specific to testing. Okay, yeah, quality is mirror of the production system. Quality system is a mirror of the production system. Whatever you developed in the development system, move your changes to next system. This system is a similar to production. This is not a production system, but similar to production system. Okay, why? Because whatever changes you develop, that changes you have to move to this system, and you have to perform all the testing, positive, negative, all the testing you have to perform here. If testing is successful, then you have to move the changes to production system. 99.99% it will work in the production system. Okay, it will work 99.99% it will work. Why? Because already we tested similar production system. Okay, similarly production system, we have one quality system. There we performed everything, all the testing. Okay, if something is not working, then we will not move the changes to production system. Following, right, sir? Okay, first, all customization, developments, configuration, we have to perform in development system. Once development is completed, we have to move this development changes to quality system. Okay, once quality is successful, whatever you tested, positive, negative, all the test cases are successful, then you will move the changes to production system. Production system is a real system. Okay, production system only business can access. Okay, client, this is the client system. Client only can access this production system, and once this changes is moved to production system, client they will use for their regular business operations. In case example, I developed one report. Okay, we have to complete the development here in development system, move the changes to quality, and you have to check whether everything is working fine or not. If everything is okay, then you have to move the changes to production, and in the production system, business users they will use this report, okay, for their regular business operations whenever they require. Okay, following, right, sir? Yeah, here SAP SAP minimum license, they will provide 3 licenses. One is the development system, second one is the quality system, third one is production system. Okay, out of these 3 systems, real system is a production system. Okay, real system is a production system, and second one is a quality. This is especially for testing. This is especially for testing. This is similar to production system. Okay, every weekly or monthly, quarterly production system data, they will dump it to quality system. Okay, every week, month or quarter, they will dump from whatever data is available in the production system, they will replicate to quality. Okay, quality. Now, quality and production will be same. Okay, until the days will be more. Example, I moved 3 months back. Okay, next, any 3 months data, it will not available here. 3 months back, I moved the data from production to quality. Okay, whatever data you moved after the data, after the data, whatever you posted in the production, that data it will not available here. Right, sir? Example, I moved the data from production to quality in June month. Okay, now we are in July. Past June month data and July till 14 days data we posted in the production system. This data it is not available in the quality. Why? Because we dumped earlier, like June 1st. After June 1st data, it will not available here. Okay, that's why 99.99% it will, if testing is successful, then that result, if you move the changes to production also it will work as per expectation. Okay, no major issues. Okay, some minor issues definitely will be there, because we are humans, sometimes we miss something. Okay, that's why whatever we developed, we have to develop in the development system. Development purpose, we have the separate system. Okay, development purpose, we have the separate system. Once development is completed, then we have to move the changes to quality. Okay, once development is completed, we have to move the changes to quality. Quality, what is the purpose of quality system? Testing, right? We have to perform all the positive and negative testing here. Once testing is completed successfully, then we have to move the changes to production system. Okay, production system is a real system. This is a client system. Client, they will use this requirement as per their whenever they required. Okay, whenever they required, they will use this report or program in production system. Following that, sir. Next one. Any questions? SAP landscape. But I have full money. Okay. SAP minimum, they will say, example, I am asking, I don't want 3 servers. I want only 1 server. No, sir. SAP is a 3 servers dependent software. We cannot sell, we cannot give you the only production system access, only quality system access, only development system access. This is a 3 servers are mandatory. Okay, you have to purchase 3 servers. Example, I'm asking, give me 10 servers. Give me 10 servers. Yes, they will give you the 10 servers. Okay. Minimum is a 3. Maximum you can purchase the total complete SAP company itself if you have money. Right, sir? Okay. Yeah. Here, minimum is 3 servers required. Maximum based on your financial position, you can purchase multiple servers also. That means more than 3 servers. More than 3 servers. Why it's required? Why? Because I'm using the two development systems, development 1 and development 2. Development 1 and development 2. And development 1 is linking to quality 1, testing 1, and production. PRD. Okay, PRD. But development 2 system is major religious system. Here I'm using this, sir. Can you please go on? Testing 2, testing 3, testing 4. Okay, to avoid that 0.1% risk, okay, they may use the multiple testing servers also. Based on, if you're okay financially, then you can purchase more than 1 development system, more than 1 quality system, but production system will be only 1. Okay, production always 1, but quality you can purchase n number of quality systems and n number of development systems. Why? Because here we have, okay, we have risk, some risk, 99.99% it may give you the success results, but sometimes, okay, minor failures will be there. To avoid that, okay, you can purchase the multiple testing servers, test here, okay, test with 3 months data, test with 2 month data, test today's data, okay, like that, and complete. This is a cycle 1 testing, cycle 2 testing, and cycle 3 testing. Following, right, sir? Okay. Here without background execution, with the background execution, with the background and manual execution, like that. Okay, we have to follow something. Okay, if we have any such kind of thing, then you can purchase more than 1 development, more than 1 quality system. But production system always 1 production system. Okay, right, sir? Our observation is SAP is a 3 servers dependent software. One is a development system, quality system, and testing system, production system. These 3 servers are important. If you are okay financially, then you can purchase more than 3 servers. More than 3 servers. Right, sir? Development always, this is a configuration system. Okay, this is a configuration system. Development system is a configuration system. Next, quality system is a testing system. Production system is a real system. Production system is a real system. Next one, SAP works. Okay, SAP works. SAP works high level divided into 2 types, 2 parts. Okay, we are dividing the work. One is client side work. One is client side work and other one is service based company side work. Example, what is our service based company in above example? Capgemini. Capgemini is our service based company. They are providing the services to Sony company. Here Sony is a client. Okay, Sony is client. Sony currently they are using the Tally system and they procure the SAP license, this development, quality and production system. And now they are moving the data from Tally to SAP. This contract, okay, Sony given to Capgemini, and here we have the two teams. One is a Sony team, that is a client team, and other one is a Capgemini team. Okay, here SAP level we have the two type of works. One is service based company side work, and other one is client side work. Service based company side work, and other one is client side work. Okay, yeah. First one, service based company side employee name is consultants or software engineers. Okay, we can call as a software engineer or consultants. Okay, consultant or software engineer both are same. Okay, service based company side, if you are a manager or senior manager, okay, if you are a manager, senior manager or associate, junior, everything, the nature is, your job nature is a consulting job, software job. Okay, software engineering, and other one is a consulting. Okay, here service based company side employees name is consultants or software engineers, and other one client side employees name is a business users, end users, power users. Okay, end users, business users, power users. Okay, yeah. Here SAP level we have the two type of work. One is service based company side work, and service based company side employees name is consultants or software engineers, and client side employees name is business users, end users, power users. Okay, yes. Have in SAP 3 servers, right? 3 servers. Out of these 3 servers, okay, consultants will access the development system, okay, and testing system. They will access the development system, and other one is a quality system. Next one is a business users. They will access the production system as well as testing system. Okay, production system as well as quality testing system. So development system, who is the responsible? Development system responsibility always consulting team, development system. Okay, business users, they cannot access the development system. They don't have access to use the development system. Why? Because development system authorization, okay, they will provide only to service based company side employees. Service based company side employees is a consultant. This is purely consultant system. Okay, development system is a consultant system. And next one quality system, testing system. Okay, consultants, whatever they developed as per the client requirement. Okay, first consultants, they have to gather the requirement from business. Okay, these team is a client is a owner. They have to ask, what is your requirement? My requirement is this report. Okay, draw my image in the system. Then based on that drawing requirement, okay, consultant will create the drawing in development system. Okay, they develop the drawing. Once development is completed, they will move the changes to the drawing to quality system, testing system. And initially, okay, whatever requirement they gather, okay, based on the requirement, they will develop and they will move the changes to quality system. And initially, they will complete the all positive and negative testing from consultant side. Okay, they will complete the all positive and negative testing from consultant side. Once testing is completed, Once testing is completed, they will ask the business users to start the UAT. UAT, user acceptance testing. They will ask the business user to start the UAT. Once UAT is completed, they will test as per the production data. Okay, production what this requirement, whatever they given the requirement, those requirement, okay, they will perform in the production system, right? Real time system. Okay, real time system, whatever they are performing, same data they will use and they will perform as part of UAT testing. Okay, business user will perform the UAT, positive and negative all the ways as per the production information. Once UAT is successful, they will provide the sign off to you, consultants. Okay, users, business, they will provide the sign off to you. And once the sign off is completed, then we have to move the changes from development system to production system. Okay, right, sir? Here we have three systems. First system owner is consultant. Last system, who is the owner? Only business users. Okay, consultant, they cannot access production system. Okay, consultants, they cannot access the production system, but in case if you have the access, only that is display access. Okay, display access, you cannot do any changes. You don't have any modification access. They will give you the display access. Why display access? Sometimes, okay, sometimes you have to analyze the issues. Example, business is facing some issue. That issue you have to view. Okay, you have to view in the production system. That's why this business, they may give you the only display access, not modification access. Okay, not posting access or modification access. If you have the access, then that is a display access only. Okay, high level, sir. Development system is a consultant system, and the production system is a business user system, and the quality system is a both systems. Okay, consultant system and business users, both teams, they can access the quality system. Right, sir? Yeah. Here, coming to consultant. Sir, in SAP high level, how many modules we have? High level 2 modules we have. One is functional module, other one is a technical module. Right, sir? High level, we have the 2 type of modules in SAP. One is a technical modules and other one is a functional modules. One is a technical module and other one is a SAP modules. We have the functional module and we have the technical module. Technical and functional. Again, functional divided into 2 parts. Okay, again functional divided into 2 parts. Normal functional module and logistics module. Right, sir? Yes. Here, same consultants divided into 2 types. One is technical consultant and other one is a functional consultant. Technical consultant and functional consultant. Okay, here technical consultant or technical software engineer, functional consultant or functional software engineer. High level, okay, you can call as a technical consultant and functional consultant. Okay, service based company side employees name is consultants. Consultants divided into 2 types, technical consultant and functional consultant. Okay, technical consultant and other one is a functional consultant. Technical consultant work name is technical work. Functional consultant name is functional work. Okay, technical consultant name is technical work. Functional consultant name is functional work. Okay, yeah. What is the meaning of technical work? All new developments, any new customization, any technical changes, it will come under technical work. Okay, any new developments, customization, technical changes, these work, it will come under technical work. Okay, technical work. And coming to functional work, all standard configuration, basic configuration, functional configuration. It will come under functional work. Okay, all functional configuration, basic configuration, standard configuration. Okay, without disturbing the any technical changes, all standard changes, it will come under functional work. It will come under functional work. Okay, technical work, any technical change, either new development or customization, any small technical change, this work it will come under technical work. Following, right? High level, we have two type of works, technical work and functional work. What does it mean by technical work? All new developments, customization and any technical changes, it will come under technical work. Technical work. And coming to functional, any standard changes, standard configuration, basic configuration, functional configuration, it will come under functional configuration. Functional configuration. Okay, right, sir? Yes. Here, in development system, technical consultant they will access and functional consultant will access the development system. Technical consultant, they will configure the technical configuration. Functional consultant, they will configure the functional configuration. Okay. So here, service based company side employee's name is consultant. Okay. Consultant can access the development system and quality system. And first, development system. Okay. This consultant divided into two types, technical consultant and functional consultant. This technical and functional consultant will do the, what is the name of this work? Technical consultant and functional consultant work name is, consultant work name is configuration. This configuration divided into two types. One is a technical configuration, other one is a functional configuration. Here, technical configuration, any new developments or any customization, technical changes, it will come under technical work or technical configuration. Coming to functional configuration, functional work, any standard changes, basic changes, functional changes, it will come under functional work, functional configuration. Following, right, sir? Yes. Here, we are doing the changes, this work, consultant, all the work, consultant work, it will start in which system? Good. Development system. Consultant work, it will start in development system. They will start the development process in development system. Okay. I have movie in laptop 1. I have 3 laptops. Laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3. I have one movie in laptop 1. That movie is not available in laptop 2 and laptop 3. Now I want to view that movie in my other laptop. Then what is the process? What is the process, sir? Hello? What is the process? Simple, sir. I have 3 laptops. I have one movie in one laptop. That movie is not available in my other laptop. Now I want to view the movie in other laptop. What is the work? You have to use any chip, pen drive or data device, anything you have to use. You have to copy the data in your first laptop, then move the changes through pen drive or data device. You can use anything and move the changes from laptop 1 to laptop 2. Through chip, you can use the chip and you can move the data to other laptops, right? Here also, these are all the separate system. Development is laptop 1, quality is laptop 2, production is laptop 3. Okay. Now I have configured in the development system. Then how these changes will move development to next further systems. Okay, how this changes, whatever you developed, either technical or functional, how will you move these changes from this system to quality and production system? For this movement purpose, we have the transport request. We have the transport request. What is the purpose of transport request? To move the changes from one system to other system, we have the transport request. Okay, transport the data from one system to other system. Example, development system to quality system, development system to production system. We have the transport request. All your configuration you have to save in transport request. Okay, you have to save in transport request. Based on this work wise, transport request also created, SAP created the separate transport request, technical wise technical transport request, functional wise functional transport request. Okay, technical configuration it will save in workbench transport request. Okay, technical configuration it will save in workbench transport request, and functional configuration it will save in customization transport request. Okay, right sir? Otherwise, this is not my work, this is not my work, consultant will fight. Okay, consultant will fight. No, this is not my work, this is not my activity. Because of that, okay, if you are doing any technical changes, automatically system it will ask the workbench transport request. If you are doing any functional changes, it will ask the customization transport request. Based on this request, we can understand whether this is a technical configuration or functional configuration. Following, right? Yes. Service based company side employee's name is a consultant. Consultant divided into two types, technical consultant, functional consultant. This technical or functional consultant work name is a configuration. This configuration divided into two types. One is technical work or technical configuration, functional work or functional configuration. Right? What does it mean by technical configuration? Technical configuration meaning any new development, customization and technical work, it will we have to consider as a technical work, technical configuration. Functional configuration, all basic changes, standard changes, functional changes. Okay, we have to consider as a functional configuration. This configuration activity we have to perform in development system, and we have to save our configuration changes in transport request. In case of technical configuration, save in workbench transport request. In case of functional configuration, save in customization transport request. Through this transport request, we will move the changes from development system to quality and development system to production system if everything is okay. If everything is okay, then we will move the changes from development system to quality system. Right, sir? Any questions are till here? No, right? Yes. Next one is a production system. Production server. Okay, production server is a business user server. Production system is a business user system. Here, business users, power user, business user, and other name is end user. End user, power user, business user, all are same. Okay, client side employees name is a business users. Okay, again sir, here power users, business user work divided into two types. Power users, end users, business users work divided into two types. One is a master data creation and other one is a transaction data hosting. Master data creation and other one is a transaction data hosting. Okay, one is a master data creation and other one is a transaction data posting. Sir, here consultant screen name is IMG, implementation guide. Okay, consultant screen name is IMG, implementation guide. Consultant screen name is IMG, implementation guide, and user screen name is SAP easy access screen. In SAP, we have two type of screens. One is IMG screen and other one is a SAP Easy Access screen. SAP Easy Access screen is a user screen. SAP Easy Access screen is user screen, and IMG screen is consultant screen. Okay, IMG screen is consultant screen. What is IMG full form? Implementation guide. IMG is the implementation guide Okay, implementation guide screen is a consultant screen and other screen is business user screen. Business user screen name is easy access screen. Okay, easy access screen. And here business user work divided into two types. Two types. One is master data creation and other one is the transaction data posting. Master data creation and other one is transaction data posting. Master data creation and transaction data posting. Master data creation. Okay, master data creation example. We have general ledger master, customer ledger master, vendor ledger master, fixed asset ledger master. We have total 4 ledger master data creation. One is a general ledger master data, customer ledger master data, vendor ledger master data, fixed asset ledger master data. Sir, without this master data, we cannot record any business transactions in SAP. Okay, we cannot record. Okay, if you want to record some transactions in SAP, then first create dependent master data. Example, transaction data. All business transactions comes under transaction data. Okay, all business transactions. Example, I am processing the capital entry. I am processing the salaries. I am processing the manufacturing process, production process. I am processing the procurement. I am processing the sales. These are all the process comes under transaction data. Okay, transaction data. This transaction data dependency is a master data. Okay, without master data, you cannot do any transactions in SAP system. Okay, without master data, you cannot process any transactions in SAP. You cannot record any business transactions in SAP. That's why it's required the master data. That's why it's required the master data. Okay, right, sir? Yes. Here, example, transaction data dependency. First, I am booking the capital posting. What is the capital entry? Capital entry is debit cash account, credit capital account. Sir, cash is a normal general ledger, right, sir? Cash is a GL, general ledger. We have to create as a cash is a general ledger master and capital is also general ledger. We have to create capital as a general ledger. Okay, to perform this capital posting, it's required the two general ledgers. These two general ledgers you have to create under general ledger master data. Without creation of these two general ledgers, system it will not allow you to process this capital posting. Following, right, sir? Okay, you know, right? Cash is a one ledger, general ledger. Okay, this is one general ledger. Capital is also one general ledger. Okay, to perform this transaction, it's required the cash general ledger and capital general ledger. Without creating this system, it will not allow you to process capital posting. Next one, sales to customer X. Sales to customer X. Here, what is the sales entry? This is a credit basis. I am performing the activity. Customer is X is a receiver, right? Receiver always debit the customer. Sales is a revenue. As per nominal account, revenues always credit. The accounting entry is debit the customer account, credit the sales account. Okay. Customer is a customer ledger. Okay, customer is a customer ledger. First, this customer ledger, X customer, you have to create in customer ledger master data. And other one, sales is a normal. This is not a fixed asset. Okay, this is not a fixed asset. This is not a vendor. This is not a customer. Sales is a normal one, right? Sales is a normal. All normal you have to create in general ledger master data. Okay, if this line item nature is a normal, then that ledger you have to create in general ledger. Okay, example, this is a customer, right? This is a customer. Okay, you have to create this customer in customer ledger master data. Okay, here it's required the customer one customer ledger required, and other one sales, GL3, general ledger 3 you have to create. Otherwise, without creating, either I created the customer, I have not created the sales, then you cannot process. System, it will not allow you to process this transaction. Why? Because without this ledger, customer ledger and sales ledger, it will not, we cannot process. We cannot process. Next one is a vendor ledger master data. Vendor ledger master data. Right, sir? Vendor ledger master data. Here, example, material purchased from Y vendor. Material purchased from Y vendor. Here I am procuring the material. I am procuring the material. Okay. Here material is a stock. Stock is a current asset. Okay. Stock is a current asset, not fixed asset. Okay. Current, it is a current asset. It is not a fixed asset. The accounting entry is asset is coming, right? What comes in debit, right? What comes in debit? Material is a comes in debit the material account, and credit vendor. Vendor is a giver here. Vendor is a giver. Credit the Y vendor. Debit the material account. Credit the vendor account. Here vendor is not belongs to fixed asset, not belongs to customer. This is not a general. This is purely vendor related. That's why you have to create this ledger in vendor master data. Okay, why vendor you have to create in vendor ledger master data. Vendor ledger master data. And after that, okay, you have to create this material. Material is not related to fixed asset. Material is not related to vendor. Material is not related to customer. Material is a general. Material is a general. Material is a general. Okay, you have to create this material in general ledger master. Okay, here we have to create the fourth general ledger. Fourth general ledger. If you want to perform this transaction, if you want to record this transaction, if you want to post this transaction, first create these two ledgers. One is a general ledger and other one is a vendor ledger. Following, right? Next one is laptop purchased by cash. Laptop purchased by cash. Here we have the laptop and we have the cash. Cash is coming or going? Going. What goes out to credit? Okay. Credit cash account. Laptop is fixed asset. Laptop is coming. What comes in debit? Debit laptop account. Credit cash account. Okay. Debit laptop account. Credit cash account. Laptop is a fixed asset or current asset? Fixed asset. Okay. We have the separate fixed asset master data, right? Laptop we have to create in fixed asset ledger master. Okay. And other one cash is belongs to general ledger. We have to create this cash in general ledger. If these ledgers are created, then you can perform the entries in SAP system. Following, right? Yeah. This transaction data posting, business user work. Okay. This transaction data posting is a business user work, and other one master data creation also business user work. Okay. Business user work divided into two parts, and this work business user will perform using the SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. SAP Easy Access screen. Before entering the posting the transaction data, first business user, they will create the master data. Okay. Master data. Once masters are created, then they will complete the transaction data posting. Following, right? Yes. Next one. Example. Business user, they want to post this initial transaction. Okay. Business user, they want to post this initial transaction, capital posting transaction. What is the first prerequisite? What is the prerequisite? What is the condition? You have to create business users. Business user should create the general ledgers first. Capital general ledger and cash general ledger. Okay. Capital general ledger and cash general ledger. Without this general ledgers, we cannot perform any, we cannot post any business transactions in the system. Okay. The requirement is it is starting here. This is the starting point. I want to perform this transactions in SAP system. Then first to create the masters. These two activities, who is the responsible? Business user is the responsible. But okay, this general ledger master data creation, okay, if you want to create any general ledger master data, then it's required the basic configuration. Following, right? Basic configuration. If you want to perform any basic posting, then it's required the basic configuration. It's required the basic configuration. Okay, yeah. So here business user first transaction data. They want to perform this transaction data. Okay. If you want to perform this transaction data, first to create the master data. Okay. First to create the master data. Okay. Without master data, you cannot perform any business transactions. You cannot perform any business transactions. You cannot perform any business transaction. Okay. If you want to perform this business transaction, then it's required first you have to complete the basic configuration. Basic configuration. Okay. You have to complete the basic configuration. Without basic configuration, okay, system it will not allow you to process the general ledger master data. Okay, sir, it is a fully integrated, sir. One by one it is integrated. If you want to create general ledger, then first complete the basic configuration. Okay, complete the basic configuration. Okay, what are all the basic configurations we have to complete? This basic configuration you have to complete, otherwise it will not allow. Okay, this basic configuration, which team is responsible? Consultant. Which consultant? Functional consultant. Okay. This functional consultant, this work is a functional consultant work. Okay, this work is functional consultant work. First, functional consultant, they have to configure. Okay, this functional consultant, they have to configure in which system? That is important. Okay, these things they have to perform in which system? Production system, right? In production system. Production system. Functional consultant will configure in which system? Which system, sir? Dev system, not production system. Dev system, development system. Okay. Functional consultant will configure in which system? Development system. Once this configuration is completed, then we have to move the changes to which system? Quality, everything is completed. Once quality, everything is completed, then we have to move the changes to production system. Okay. production system. Following, right, sir? Okay, first one, you have to complete the GL master data basic configuration. This basic configuration we will perform functional consultant in which system? Development system. Okay, development system. Okay, or else I will update here quality. System. Okay, this configuration we have to quality and finally production system. Once successful, we have to move the changes to production system. Following, right? Requirement is started here. Okay, I want to post this transaction in system. Okay, before posting this transaction, business user responsibility is create the dependent master data. Here dependent is general ledger 1 and general ledger 2. First to create the general ledger. Okay, before creating the general ledger, first we have to complete the configuration in development system. Okay, functional consultant is responsible. Functional consultant will configure this configuration in development system. Once configuration is completed, we will move the changes to quality system for testing. Once testing is successful, then we have to move the changes to production system. Following, right? Any questions still here? No questions, right? This, please note down this all. Above diagram you completed, right? This diagram.
Yes.
Next one. Please note down this. So completed, right? Okay. Seventh one. Define retained earning account.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, what is that ninth one?
Assign company code to field status variant. FSV. Field status variant. This FS is field status groups. Define field status variant and field status groups. Okay, right? Okay. So next one, I will start the configuration. Okay, I will start the configuration part. How to open the system, and I will explain this part. Okay. And next one is contact this person for SAP installation. Okay, contact this person for SAP installation. Or if you have any questions, please contact Krishna. Krishna will help you. Okay. This is actually, this person is available in Hyderabad. Okay. Krishna will share the Bangalore contact. Okay, right? They will charge some amount like 500 to 1000 rupees they will charge, and they will install the software in your system for practice. Okay, for practice purpose, you have to install the software in your system. Please contact these persons. Okay, they will charge some amount and they will install. Okay, this is a Vamshi, and Krishna is our Kittu. Okay, you can contact Krishna in case if you are facing any difficulties to reach him. He will help you. He will share other contact. Okay, right? And they will install, and they will uh, give you the username. What is the username and what is the password? SAP version, please install. Okay, SAP version, please install. ECC 6.0, EHP 5 to 9, any version. EHP 5 to 9, any version. Okay. And other one, don't use the VMware. Don't use the VMware. Install, use SAP server. SAP server. Don't use the VMware. Don't use the VMware. Don't use VMware. Okay, VMware installation is a simple, sir. Okay, they will install within 30 minutes to 1 hour, but server it will take time. That's why, okay, easy. What is the easy option from their side? VMware installation is a easy option. If you don't know, then they will install the software in VMware. Okay, they may charge lesser amount also, but during the practice, it will take more time to open and close the system. Okay, if you want to open one transaction, example this transaction, sometime it will take 5 minutes time to process. Okay, but if you install in server, okay, it will open within 10 to 5 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds it will open. If you install in VMware, it will take more time to open and close. That's why don't prefer the VMware. Okay, you ask them to install in SAP server. Okay, right, sir? Till here, any questions? Otherwise, I am good, sir. I will stop the today's